Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. I hope you enjoyed the video. Leave a like, leave a comment, please consider subscribing. On today's video we will continue. The deck is done, the deck is planked and weathered. So now we're gonna start preparing the wood for the walls. I'm simply cutting pieces of wood around 9 centimeters long. To set up the walls, I need to put the beams for the next deck in place. This way I can set up the top piece of wood that makes the wall against the beams and work down from there. I'm using a little bit of glue to secure the top one, but all this will come out, so only a tiny bit of glue. With the top pieces in place and the bottom pieces in place, now I can do the last piece the correct width. Now I repeat the process for the other side. I set up the beams to secure the top pieces and then just repeat what I did for the first side. I remove all the pieces, I set them up carefully to not mix them, and I start the weathering process, starting with a coat of dark oak stain and wiping it out with a cloth or a piece of paper. I sand the pieces a bit to create a bit more color variation, focusing always a bit more on the edges, just to remove some of the stain and have a better variation in the color. After I've done the same thing on the other pieces and every piece is stained, I apply a coat of matte varnish. and I'll leave the varnish to dry. This is it for today's video. Here are a few pictures of the process. I hope you enjoy. Leave a like, leave a comment. I hope to see you all in the next one.